So usually we get list of names with surname printed first, then a comma, and then the first name. So today I'll show you how to swap surname and first name and create a list of names from the given list of surname plus first name separated by comma. So I'll type the formula. So I'll be using text after and text before functions to create the formula. So I will use a text after function. Text string is this, delimiter is a comma. So the first name printed first, but there is a space because there is a space after this comma. So I will add a trim around text after function. So now the space went away. Now I have to print the surname after this. So I will use concat function, then print the first name. Then I will add a space. Then I will use text before function. String is the same. Delimiter is comma. I will enclose this in a trim function. Trim any spaces. Then I will close the concat brackets. So the Thomas comma Jacob got converted to Jacob Thomas. So I'll copy the formula. See, Kumar comma Krishna changed to Krishna Kumar. Khan comma Afzal changed to Afzal Khan. Pandian comma Ravi changed to A.V. Pandey. Sometimes we get the same list without a comma, that surname space first name. So in that case, how to swap surname and first name? So we'll use the same formula which we used earlier and replace comma delimiter with a space. So I'll replace comma with a space because space is the delimiter here. And see, copy the formula. Set copied.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.